All that stress on my brain, right? Poker face, I'm in the game, right? Need a week to think, maybe 8 nights. So promethazine in a straight flight. Let me call on my phone, let me get in my zone. Let me
What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DaRetroWizKid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. Hope everybody having a great day. Y'all already know it is Monday, so what better way to start Monday with an unboxing, as well as I finally got the shoe that I wanted in my size. It is about time. I've been waiting to get this shoe in my size, and I went through a little struggle to get it in my size. So if y'all new to the channel and y'all just now tuning in and rocking out with your boy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and join the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated, and it does not go unnoticed. Let's try to get this video right here up to 50 likes. Hit it, splash it, and whatever it is you do, just make sure you do what you do at your best, and drop a comment below and let me know what you guys think about the unboxing, as well as finally getting my size. And I'm gonna run y'all down how this happened in case y'all new to the channel. So first things first, let's get to the unboxing. This unboxing right here is very special to me. You know, shout out to my bro Steve Freeman. Y'all probably know him from over on Skinny's channel, as well as being a part of Sneaker Dungeon family. He is Skinny Gang and he rock with Retro, and he knew I wanted this, and he hit me up and he was like, hey bro, you know, I got you on this. It's a double up. It's something that I really wanted to get a double up of. Y'all know I like Michael Jordan. I rock out. Y'all know I love Mike, man. I'm a Michael Jordan fan, so you know, y'all know I rock out with Mike. I'm a Michael Jordan fan, hence I got a lot of Jordans. I collect Jordans, and also, you know, Funkos and stuff like that. So with that being said, y'all already know what time it is, man. Let's get this box out of here. Let's get this out of there. And y'all, my bro, y'all, he hit me with the double up, y'all. So now I not only have one, now I have 2 of the Target exclusive Funko Pops. Y'all know that you know, I collect Jordan stuff, and this right here was a blessing. I finally added 2 to the collection. I really wanted to because, you know, just for collector purposes, not for no resale value or nothing like that. I'm still waiting on some other Funkos to come in from the first wave that I don't know what happened. Like, it's been taking forever for them things to come in, but I got the double up of the Funko Michael Jordan number 56. Shout out to my bro Steve Freeman. I appreciate it, bro. Hey, I am stupid happy to have 2 of these, y'all. 2 of these is really good to me. So y'all let me know if y'all got these Michael Jordan Funkos jumping. Get it now for this retro one that I went through. Man, I went through everything to get my size in these, y'all. And y'all already know what we do over here. We gonna, yes, Lord. Even though I've had this shoe and I've smell tested, but I smell tested this one when I picked it up today. But y'all already know. Smell test approved by your boy DaRetroWizKid. Let's go ahead, man. Hey, I'm gonna ask y'all, what do y'all think these are? Before I revealed the shoe, I'm gonna just tell you like this. The shoe dropped. I really wanted the shoe. I was at work. I wasn't able to get there. They ended up doing first come, first serve. And I wasn't able to get my size. I was able to get the size, a half size smaller than what I really wanted. And I could take the insole out and I could rock the shoe, but I wasn't feeling it like that. I wanted to get my size. So I had a guy that flaked on me, and he said he was gonna help me get the shoe, or he was gonna swap shoes with me. He didn't want to do it. So then I asked, you know, this guy right here, shout out to bro. I will actually link his Instagram in the description box below. I asked bro if we could do this trade, and he was like, look man, I'm selling the shoe. I already got somebody that's already bought it when these shoes were posted. He was like, I'm just waiting. Well, not bought it, but he already had somebody that was gonna cop the shoe, and he was just holding the shoe till the guy came and got it. So I was like, all right, cool, bet. First dibs. I'm playing fair. We playing fair. We ain't gonna hold nobody like that. You feel me? So I was like, all right, cool. Well, I noticed that he had posted the shoes again. He was like, yeah man, buddy flaked. I'm just trying to get my money back. However, the size that I had in these was worth more than the size that he had. And we talked about it, chopped it up, and boom, bruh, he let me get them. I finally got the UNC Retro 1 Women's you know what I'm saying, patent leather things in a size 12. I had an 11.5, he had the size 12. Easy, even, flop. The size 11.5 is actually worth a little bit more than the size 12. So I just didn't want to go through the hassle of selling them on StockX. Y'all know I went through everything to try to get these when they came out. I ended up securing my pair and I was stupid happy, but I didn't do an on foot in those because I wanted to make sure that I got a size 12. And I'm glad that now I have the size 12. I've been had a fit for it. I almost busted these things out this past weekend, but I'm glad that I hit them up one more time, y'all. You know, patience is key. I hit him up one more time just to make sure, because he sells shoes, and he was like, he had an 8.5 and he had this 12, and he was like, man, you know what, bro, for you I'll do it, bro. You know what I'm saying, we can make the even trade, even though I'm not tripping off my shoe being worth like $10-$20 more. I just wanted a size 12 so I could rock them in comfort. And no, hey, we still securing the bag over here, y'all. So if y'all new to the channel, this y'all first time rocking out with your boy, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Join the Sneaker Dungeon family. All the love and support is greatly appreciated. And y'all already know, man, we on the race to 10,000 subscribers, y'all. 4K right around the way. We're gonna be doing the 4K giveaway, and we got the sneaker chop up and the kickback off. I never really stopped it. It's just that, you know, we gotta get the guests for it. So I've been working with some people. We got some guests coming, new females coming through. They're gonna chop it up with us on some sneakers, so y'all stay tuned with that. As well as y'all already know, we do the Friday night kickback as well on Fridays. Either it's a chop up or it's the kickback. Either way, you know, kickback with the fellas, chop it up with the females. Y'all already know how we rock, man. Y'all make sure y'all follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, as well as Facebook. I love y'all. Y'all make sure to rock out with your boy tomorrow in the next video. And hey, it's a great day, y'all. Was able to get a double up. Shout out to Steve Freeman once again. Hey, I appreciate that, bro. We gonna be on that division. You already know, finna get that gear up and everything. If y'all on that division, man, let me know, because I'm telling you, Steve Freeman is a beast. Me and Toss World be on that thing. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Cowgirl. We be on that thing rocking out. So shout out to Twin. Hey, we in this thing cooking, man. So Marine, y'all already know how we rock, man. So y'all catch me tomorrow in the next video, man. And hey, peace, love, in Laguna Beach. Yeah.